And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, as the debate continues on the dual citizenship of local politicians, a former Prime Minister has weighed in on the controversial matter.
As you'll hear in this report, PJ Patterson believes Section 40 of the Constitution should be amended to include other public servants.
Romardo Lyons explains why.
PJ Patterson is the sixth and longest-serving Prime Minister of Jamaica. After 14 years, he stepped down in 2006.
What I did before departure is to change the oath being taken by Prime Ministers.
A change he says was necessary because it was uncomfortable to swear allegiance to a foreign monarch, which takes us to the issue of dual citizenship. While staying clear of the current debate over whether the opposition leader should renounce his British citizenship, Mr. Patterson would only say this:
no valid reason exists for maintaining the provisions pertaining to a Commonwealth citizen other than a citizen of Jamaica who is resident for at least 12 months to be eligible for parliamentary office. The qualifications must be based, in my view, on Jamaican citizenship. I don't want to cause any confusion. Citizens of the Commonwealth are at the present time legally entitled to sit in the House or the Senate. I am deliberately confining my remarks to the constitutionality of any such position. Political considerations are well above my grade in the pavilion.
During his tenure as Prime Minister, he says the issue of dual citizenship also arose. He gave the example of two appointments he had to make. But after it was disclosed they had dual citizenship, this is what he told them.
If you want to accept this position, because of its sensitivity, you have to renounce. Both, without hesitation, proceeded to renounce and were duly appointed to their positions.
Mr. Patterson is, however, of the view that Section 40 of the Constitution should not be confined to parliamentarians.
For example, the Chief of Staff. Otherwise, you're exposing the person to charges of treason. The Permanent Secretary and members of the Defense Board. I raise, without making any proposal, we have to look at questions of persons like the Chief Justice, like the President of the Court of Appeal, like our electoral commissioners.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.